Before I start this video on Stoozing, don't forget, if you find this video useful in any way, please hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stoozing is a technique where you make money by earning interest on cash from credit cards that lend to you at 0%. So to run through a very simple process of how this might work, if you've got a good credit rating, you might decide, for example, to take out a 0% purchase credit card, which means everything you buy on that card for an agreed period of time won't attract any interest at all. Now, if you use that credit card for all your everyday spending and you pay the minimum monthly repayment that you're required to do on that card, and so you're not spending the money in your current account, if you take that money in your current account that you would normally spend on your everyday shopping, for example, and you let that build up in a savings account that's paying a high rate of interest, then you can see that you start making money on the money that you've put aside rather than spending. Now, when you do this, at the point that your 0% purchase credit card deal period comes to an end, then you will take the money that's been in the savings account that you've been earning that nice interest on, you take it and you clear the balance on the credit card. And in that way, you'll be left with the profit, i.e. the interest you earned on all that money over that period. Maybe it could be a couple of years, and that is the profit that you keep. Very basic. That is the principle of Stoozing. Now, technically, there is another step that you can do where instead of clearing the debt on the credit card at the end of the 0% purchase period, you instead take the debt and you transfer it to a 0% balance transfer credit card, and one that doesn't charge you a fee for transferring balances, because most of them do, and that fee is usually 2 to 3%. Then you move that balance onto that 0% balance transfer credit card, and you leave the money in your savings account for even longer to accrue more interest and therefore increasing that profit. Effectively, this is free money. Now, there is an issue, first of all. If you had put the money already in a savings account before you'd actually got that 0% balance transfer credit card agreed, then you could get into a sticky situation if you get turned down for that credit card, or in some instances where there are fee-free versions, i.e. you don't get charged a fee for transferring money across. They may instead offer you a version where you do get charged a fee, in which case that starts to affect your numbers, and you might therefore not want to carry on with this balance transfer process, but you may have locked your money away in a high interest savings account that could be like a fixed rate bond, and therefore you'll incur a financial penalty if you have to then take the money out earlier. Now, of course, you don't necessarily have to lock your money away in fixed term savings accounts, where you could get up to 4 or 5% a year if you do so. Instead, you could use something like an easy access savings account or a high interest current account. Now, some of these pay really good rates of interest at the moment. You can easily get 2 to 3% on some of these. And in the notes of this video, I'll put links to all the best savings rates out there. I'll also put a link to the best 0% purchase credit cards out there, and also the best 0% balance transfer credit cards that exist out there. But there are downsides to this whole Stoozing process, of course, because you're taking out credit, and you will take out multiple credit cards if you eventually use a balance transfer credit card, and that can happen in a relatively short space of time. And that high balances and the repeated applications for credit can have a negative mark on your credit report, and ultimately any credit scoring that you might have when you go to borrow more money in the future. Now, that could be particularly important and hurt you if at some point in the near future you plan to go for a mortgage, for example. So I would say for most people, if you want to use credit cards to make free money, then a lot of people will be better off just taking out a cashback or reward credit card that pays you money as you spend on it. Then at the end of each month, you clear the balance on that credit card with the money that's been sitting in your current account that you've not been spending. And then at the end of the year, you usually get that cash back in a lump sum. Now, if you're interested in that approach, I've linked to the best cashback credit cards in the notes of this video too. So there you go. That is Stoozing. Not for everybody. There are definitely some cons to it, and the imprint on your credit report, I would say, should put off a lot of people. Now, if you found this useful in any way, please make sure you hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
more.